Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be working with the Nishman Grooming Styling Tonic Spray. Stay tuned for more tips. Nishman Grooming Styling Tonic Spray is great before using thermal styling. It is applied to damp hair. It gives volume and protection all day long.
The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So, how you want it, man? You can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch, I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out. Whoever owns the place gotta drag me out. In me I trust, yeah I smell like success, this Elon Musk, huh? Everybody wanna be like us, we don't stop cause the top just ain't enough, huh? I ain't never gave no fucks, I ain't scared, man, you know.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products, stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Just run for your life.